Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make images clickable on Squarespace. This is a fantastic feature that allows you to turn any image on your website into a clickable link, whether you want to direct visitors to another page, an external website, or even a downloadable file. It's perfect for creating more interactive and engaging web experiences. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by heading over to squarespace.com and logging into your account. Once you've entered your credentials and signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is where all your websites are displayed, so take a moment to locate the specific website where you want to make your images clickable, then go ahead and click on it to open that site's settings. Now that you're inside your chosen website, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options, and from there you need to click on Website. This will open up the main editing interface for your site. Right next to it, you'll see an Edit button, so click that to enter the visual editor where you can start making changes to your pages and content. Once you're in the editing mode, navigate to the section where your image is located. This could be on your home page, a blog post, or any other page on your site. When you find the image you want to make clickable, simply click on it. You'll notice that a small pencil icon appears, usually in the corner or overlay of the image. Click that pencil icon to open the image settings menu where you can adjust various properties of that image. In the image settings panel, look for an option labeled link. Once you've found it, click on attach link. This is the feature that will transform your static image into a clickable element. A drop-down menu will appear giving you several options for what kind of link you want to attach. You'll see choices like URL, file, email, and phone, each serving different purposes depending on what you want the image to do when clicked. For this tutorial, we're going to select URL. This option allows you to link the image to any web address you choose. In the text field that appears, type in google.com as an example. After entering the URL, hit enter to confirm it, then click save to lock in your changes. Once you've saved everything, click exit to leave the editing mode and return to your site's main view. Now it's time to test your work. Try clicking on the image you just edited. If everything was done correctly, clicking the image should immediately direct you to google.com or whatever URL you specified. This confirms that your image is now fully clickable and functional. And that's it. You've successfully made an image clickable on Squarespace, giving your visitors a more interactive way to navigate your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.